Why insurance companies like early valuations. Insurance companies often evaluate claims based on the information available at that time. If a case is presented too early, before the full extent of the injury is known, the insurance company may form an opinion about the case's value. Once that happens, it can sometimes become difficult to change that perception later. Have you ever known someone who likes sports and loves a certain team? Even if that team is having a terrible season, it's impossible to convince them that they're going to lose the next game. Insurance companies can be the same way. Once they get a value stuck in their computer, their reserves get set, and it's hard to get that number to change. As additional treatment unfolds, the insurance company may need to revisit and reevaluate the claim. That process is often slower and more complicated than getting the valuation right in the first place. This is why we don't rush demands. We want the demand to be accurate. Before presenting a case, we generally want a clear understanding of the injuries, the treatment, the prognosis, and any future medical needs. That allows us to present the strongest and most complete picture possible. Patience can protect your recovery. One of the hardest parts of an injury case is waiting. People understandably want answers. They want closure. They want to know what their case is worth. But sometimes patience protects the value of the case. Rushing to evaluate a claim before the medical picture is clear can create unnecessary problems later. Here are some final thoughts. The value of a case is not determined by a calculator, a television commercial, or an internet advertisement. It's determined by facts. And many of the most important facts aren't known immediately after an injury. That's why one of the most important parts of our job is to make sure we fully understand your injuries and your future needs before trying to place a value on your case. If you have questions about the value of your claim or where you are in the valuation process, please contact our office.